Hello everyone, Mitch came to me the other day and said our videos are too long.
Hey Ben.
Yeah?
I think our videos are too long.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So now we're going to do all our experiments in under a minute, everyone. And today we're going to do bouncy balls again because you guys last time were like, I don't know where to get PVA powder. What's gelatin? So we're going to make it even easier. We've got PVA glue and borax, and we're going to make a bouncy ball in under a minute. Are you guys ready? Mitch, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Put the timer up. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right, so we grab the scales and the PVA here. Put that up. We need some color and some borax. We need a stirrer and some water. All right, a mixing thing. I'll swing that around so you guys can see. We've got to tear it down to 0, perfect. Now we want 20 grams of this. 20, yeah. And then 5 grams, 4:1 ratio of borax. 20, yep, pretty close. All right, and then some color. We'll do red. Squirt that in. 30 seconds, halfway. All right, spin it. I mean, mix it, spin it. It's kind of like spinning, right? Mix it around, you can see it in there. Oh, that's good bouncy ball. All right, I'll just grab this plastic thing over here. So once it's all spinned around like this, mixed up, grab it out, pop it in some water.
10 seconds left.
10 seconds, pop it in some water and give it a good, that just helps it be a bit easier to roll into a ball. Then put it in a bowl, done, all finished. That's our bouncy ball. It's not very spherical, but that's what happens in a minute. You guys can take a little bit longer and make it a bit more round. But we're gonna come back, we'll have a look at it, see how well it bounces and stuff. I'll see you soon. Okay, welcome back. So we've got our little red ball. Let's test it out, see how it bounces. Yeah, it bounces. It's not very spherical, but it bounces. So have a go, see if you can make one as well. Try some different colors, try some different shapes. This one's a crazy shape, so you never know where it's gonna go. And it broke, but that's all right. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next video. Bye everyone.